I'd been hearing a faint clicking noise in my apartment for weeks, but I thought it was just the radiator or pipes. As time passed, I stopped noticing it unless the room was quiet. It became a background noise I accepted. But last night, the sound got louder and turned into a sharp snapping noise every minute. I finally investigated and found the source, a power strip behind my desk with a partially melted plug and warped, brown plastic. The connection was making the clicking sound, and I realized I'd been sitting near an electrical fire waiting to happen. I unplugged it immediately, and the plastic was still warm. I felt stupid for ignoring the noise for so long and putting myself in danger. I was lucky to have avoided a disaster.